Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use if function in Excel. So let's open an Excel sheet, and here you can see there are some names, some of their units of their work, some values, and we would have that income column. Here we will find out if the income is high or low. So let's put here some function, some formula here. Let's put if function. So we have to write if and put a first bracket. Here you can see it is telling us to give a logical test. Logical test means um, the bar you want to select for your logic, and if it says, or I can actually select this one. Okay, if it, let's say, or you can select this too, whatever you want to, and just if it says we want to, let's say we want to find out if the income is high or low, then let's say those people who earns more than 30,000 or 34,000, they are high incomer, and whose income is less than 34,000, they are their income is low. So what we would do is go to select the 34,000 option, and then put less than, and let's say we would give 34,000 or 30,000, let's say. Okay, and then put a comma, and then here you have to put your command over it. Let's say high sorry, it should be low income, right? Low, and then close it with another inverted comma and give another command over it, and again put inverted comma. And those who doesn't earn more than those who earns more than 30,000, they will be a high incomer. So here we would write high, and we will close it with another inverted comma, and then we will just close the bracket and press on enter. Here you can see, as the income is more than 30,000, that's why it's high. And if we drag down, then only this person earns low, because he earns just 6,999 taka or dollars, whatever you want to say. So yep, this is how it works. You can add anything here in the inverted comma you want, the text you want to have, you can say it right down here. So according to that text, there will be your commands. So this is how if function works. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.